Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be right along with me as I drive west on I-80. But first I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy right along with me, and if you do, I'd always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me as I try to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our way west from Fernley and into the city of Reno. Along the way, we'll drive along the Truckee River as we enter into Sparks in the Reno metro area. Also, don't forget that included in this video are, of course, lots of fun facts about our route and Nevada, as well as a trivia question. The trip this video is from will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including the lonely US 58 in Nevada, the scenic $1 Million Highway in Colorado, the amazing Bryce, Canyonlands, and Zion National Parks, and of course, hundreds of scenic miles in my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today or watching today's video while still unsubscribed, I hope this video persuades you to hit the subscribe button so you can keep following along on my road trip adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and if you missed any of the ones before this one, you can always catch up by clicking the playlist link in the description. Finally, the video description has a ton of information that is helpful, like what's upcoming on this trip, my social links, and also ways you can help make more videos like these possible, so make sure to check it out. Also, if you like this video and similar content, please help me out by just giving it a like or sharing it with somebody. It really helps me grow my channel and allows more people to enjoy my content. Now that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the great state of Nevada. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching it until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button and or sharing it with a friend. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue our way west on I-80 into the state of California, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.